What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. Today we finally have a couple of options to look at to plug up these mirror holes for the Honda GROM. Here is option number 1 and here is option number 2. So here's our first option. It's just a simple black screw that will go into the hole. And our option number 2 is a little bit of a taller profile, but it does have that GROM logo right there. All right, so here's one of the options installed here. Pretty straightforward. You just screw it in. What are your thoughts on this one right here? And here's the other option installed on the other side. Pretty clean for an installation. All right, so there you have it. 2 options, a standard simple black screw or a little taller of a profile, but it's got a nice little logo on there. GROM, baby, GROM. Let me know in the comments which one of these mirror plugs you like better. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.